Every day, you interact with an operating system that powers much of the modern world. It runs on supercomputers, web servers, smartphones, cars, refrigerators, and even space stations. Yet many people have never directly used it. This invisible giant isn't Windows or Mac OS, it's Linux. Linux quietly dominates the digital landscape while remaining largely unknown to the average person. Over 95% of the world's top 1 million websites run on Linux servers. Every Android phone, more than 2 billion devices worldwide, runs on a modified Linux kernel. Nearly all of the world's supercomputers operate on Linux. The story of Linux began in 1991 when a Finnish computer science student named Linus Torvalds announced he was working on a free operating system as a hobby. What started as a personal project quickly attracted developers from around the world who contributed code, fixed bugs, and expanded its capabilities. This collaborative approach embodied the open-source philosophy that would define Linux. Unlike proprietary systems like Windows, Linux's source code is freely available for anyone to view, modify, and distribute. This openness creates remarkable advantages. Thousands of programmers constantly review the code, making Linux exceptionally secure and stable. Companies can customize it for specific needs without licensing fees, and when problems arise, the global community often fixes them within hours. The server world embraced Linux early for its reliability and efficiency. When you use services like Google, Amazon, Facebook, or Netflix, you're interacting with Linux servers. The financial world runs on it too. The New York Stock Exchange, major banks, and trading platforms all depend on Linux's stability for critical operations. In the consumer space, Android brought Linux to billions of pockets. Though heavily modified from standard Linux, Android's core remains powered by the Linux kernel. Smart TVs, routers, and countless Internet of Things devices also run on specialized Linux variants. Linux comes in hundreds of different distributions or distros tailored for specific purposes. Ubuntu and Mint offer user-friendly experiences for desktop users. Red Hat, Enterprise Linux, and SUSE provide robust solutions for businesses. Specialized distributions like Kali focus on security testing, while tiny distributions can run on devices with minimal resources. Perhaps most impressively, Linux powers critical infrastructure. The International Space Station switched to Linux for reliability. Air traffic control systems, nuclear submarines, and medical devices trust Linux with life-critical operations. Tesla vehicles run on a customized Linux system, as do many modern cars with advanced infotainment systems. The impact of Linux extends beyond technology into philosophy. It demonstrated that open collaboration could create software rivaling or exceeding commercial alternatives. This model influenced countless projects from Wikipedia to Bitcoin, reshaping how we think about digital creation and ownership. Linux represents a remarkable achievement, a global collaborative project that became essential infrastructure for modern civilization. While it may not dominate desktop computers, Linux silently runs the digital world around us, proving that open-source development can create technology that literally reaches the stars.